Ooh, we've got a brilliant one here for you. Katie is a superstar and helped me secure my latest role in exactly the type of job I was looking for. Ooh, we've got another one here from Samuel. Christian reached out to me over the summer to discuss the prospect of me interviewing for a role he was advertising. I've spoken to several recruiters in this industry over the last 12 months. None were as knowledgeable about the industry as he is. G Digital do things a little differently. So many recruitment agencies are happy to just fire off any moderately relevant CV to prospective employers and spam you with potential roles.
I didn't know this was written.
I've always felt the confidence boost after attending and campaigning as a woman in tech. If you get the opportunity to work for the team or attend an event, 100% go for it.
That's so thought out. She's thought about like every aspect of it.
I know.
Thanks, Jodie Hun, and absolutely get yourself down to another G&T event. We'll see you soon.
See you soon.
See you soon.